Green Neighborhood is an interactive educational audio game which addresses sustainability, place attachment, and community engagement, driven by the story of friendship and trust between two young high school students. The game was developed in the context of a workshop promoted by Twist Tales, EarReality, a German publisher, game studio, and agency dedicated to creating interactive audio stories. This has certainly been an incredible learning experience, as well as a very challenging one. My interest in recent years when I think about games is in their power as an educational tool. However, I find little narrative appeal in what are called serious games. For me, they're too serious, so to speak. I think that games, just like any other cultural artifact, need to have a touch of emotion. They need to touch us and sensitize us in some way, even if this is articulated with the necessary reflections led by a teacher or anyone else in the aftergame. That's why my interest in the construction of narratives in games has been where I've spent most of my study and learning time. Challenging, I'd say. My intention is for Green Neighborhood to be used in an educational context, in classes or workshops that want to discuss sustainability, a sense of community, engagement, and community values as a whole, such as friendship, trust, empathy, and encouragement. And if you'd like to talk about how this game could be used in this context, I'd be delighted to discuss ideas with you, because the genre of the game is not part of the scope of the games they publish on their platform. Only a Webplayer version is available here. In any case, you can get to know the whole story and have the interactive experience that the game offers. If you want to see the transcription of the audio, I suggest you install a speech-to-text voice recognition extension for your web browser. And don't forget,
Enjoy your play!